Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. In this presentation, I'll be exploring the issue of affordable housing in Malaysia, focusing on PRIMA, the One Malaysia People's Housing Program, which aims to provide accessible home ownership for middle-income Malaysians. I will highlight a real example, which is Residensi Brickfields in Kuala Lumpur. By end of this session, I hope you gain a better understanding of the stakeholders, challenges, policies, and potential solutions involved in making housing truly affordable in Malaysia. What is PRIMA? PRIMA or Perumahan Rakyat Satu Malaysia is a government-backed affordable housing program that targets the middle-income group, focusing on affordability, location, and quality community living, helping to bridge the housing gap in urban Malaysia. Today we will focus on Perumahan PRIMA Residensi Brickfields. Residensi Brickfields is a high-rise development located in the heart of Kuala Lumpur, just minutes from KL Central. Developed under PRIMA initiative, this project offers modern apartment units that are priced below market value, making it more accessible to middle-income Malaysians, especially working adults and young families. Several stakeholders are involved in the development process. The first one is PRIMA Corporation Malaysia oversees the planning and implementation. Next, DBKL Kuala Lumpur City Hall handles zoning, permits and infrastructure support. Next is contractors and engineers execute the construction process using approved building methods. Next is bank and financial institution provide housing loans under government schemes. Last but not least, residents from the heart of the community and play a role in post-occupancy feedback and sustainability. What are the strengths of these PRIMA initiatives? PRIMA initiative has several notable strengths. The first one is it addresses the housing needs of the M40 middle income group, which is often left out of both luxury and low-cost housing schemes. Second, PRIMA projects are typically located in strategic urban areas, reducing the needs for long commutes and increasing access to public transport, jobs and amenities. Third, PRIMA homes are priced 20 to 30% lower than market value, and buyers benefit from government incentive like step-up financing and low-interest loans. Additionally, PRIMA incorporates community elements into its planning such as multi-purpose halls, playgrounds, suraus, and green spaces to encourage quality living. Every strength has its own weakness. However, PRIMA is not without its challenges. One major concern is the limited number of units available compared to the overwhelming demand. This has led to long waiting lists and reduced accessibility for applicants. Another issue is project delays. In some cases, PRIMA developments have been postponed or left incomplete due to funding contractor-related issues. Moreover, while the homes are labelled affordable, they may still be out of reach for many in the B40 income group, especially in cities like Kuala Lumpur where living costs are high. Lastly, critics argue that PRIMA could improve transparency and efficiency in both allocation and construction processes. CIDB plays a big role in affordable housing construction. The Construction Industry Development Board, CIDB, plays a vital role in ensuring the quality and safety of affordable housing in Malaysia. CIDB sets national standards for the construction materials design practices and building codes through guidelines like the CIDB Malaysia Standard, CMS, and the MICRES Sustainability Rating. For PRIMA projects like Residensi Brickfields, CIDB ensures that homes are built to meet safety, structural and durability requirements without sacrificing affordability. CIDB also supports innovation by encouraging the adoption of technologies like industrialized building systems (IBS), which improve construction efficiency and reduce waste. Importance of choosing right material. Selecting the right construction materials is not only about cost, it's about long-term value sustainability. Using high-quality yet cost-effective materials ensures that buildings last longer, require fewer repairs, and provide better living conditions. For example, energy-efficient windows and insulation can reduce electricity bills and improve comfort. CIDB encourages developers to prioritize green materials that minimize environmental impact. This supports Malaysia's push towards low-carbon construction and aligns with sustainable development goals. In short, the right material choices reduce life cycle costs, enhance occupant well-being, and ensure projects like Residensi Brickfields remain beneficial for years to come. These are the material used in Residensi Brickfields. The first one, structure, precast concrete panels, steel framing and IBS components. Building system, Leo booster pump and rainwater irrigation. For the interiors, laminate-based wardrobes, TV and shoe cabinets, kitchen storage units. Last but not least, the sustainable focus. BS for waste minimization, drainage control and durable finishes for long-term value. To make affordable housing more effective and future-ready, I suggest the following improvements. The first one, expand the use of industrialized building systems (IBS) to speed up construction, reduce errors and cut costs. Next, broaden PRIMA's eligibility criteria so more middle and lower income families can qualify, especially in urban areas. Next, foster stronger partnerships between the government and private sector to share resources and improve project delivery. Next one, improve public transport integration by ensuring Prima homes are well connected to MRT or LRT lines, reducing car dependency. Nextly, launch digital platforms for transparent Prima applications, tracking progress, and preventing corruption or favoritism. Last but not least, offer tailored financing schemes for youth and first-time buyers that include rental-to-own options and flexible repayment. Summary and conclusion. In summary, affordable housing remains one of Malaysia's key socio-economic challenges. The Prima initiative, especially projects like Residensi Brickfields, represent a significant efforts to provide quality homes in urban centres at a below market prices. While the initiative has achieved some success, it must continue evolving to meet the needs of future generations. By strengthening partnerships, improving transparency, embracing sustainable construction, and expanding access, Malaysia can build not just houses but inclusive, thriving communities.